Alright, this video is for US to metric and vice versa. So if you want to do conversions from metric units to American units or American units to metric units, this is the video for you. So this is a table. We have distance, we have weight, we have volume, we have more distance, we have more weight, and we have more volume. Basically, I've given you both conversions. We have American to metric or metric to American. Now the way you can find these is just by doing a little reverse division. Watch. If you take 1 and divide it by 2.54, that's our first one right here, hit enter, you notice you get that right over here, 0.3937. All I did was divide them. So if you have this table, you can make this table just by doing division. Okay, now on to the good stuff. If you want to convert yards to meters, you do it just like we did the American units. If you've not done that video, give that one a shot because this one's going to be a lot more brief, much more brief. And basically, you want to get rid of yards. So you put yards down here, and you want meters. So you put meters on top. Remember, it's just the M for meters. So we go to yards to meters. That's our conversion. So we put 1 down here, 0.9144 here. This way we cancel off our yards, and then we multiply, which gives us 91.44 meters. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Just like we did American units is how we do American to metric. So give them a shot. I've got 6 problems for you to try here. Try them now. Hit pause. Alright, and those are what you should have gotten. Now the ones that are a little different, this is something I figured you'd want to know. These are applications. So if you have 60 miles, and this is per hour, that's what 60 miles per hour means. MPH, miles per 1 hour. We want to convert to kilometers per hour. So we want the hours, but we need to convert the miles into kilometers. So we put miles down here, kilometers up here. And what is the conversion from miles to kilometers? 1 mile is 1.6093. So 1 mile is 1.6093 kilometers. Now if we multiply that, 60 times 1.6093, we get 96.6 kilometers per hour. See, the miles cancel, and that leaves with km over h. So kph, kilometers per hour. So try it now for the reverse. Let's say you're in a foreign country and you have kilometers per hour and you need to convert it to miles. How would that look? Exactly, same ratio, but this time we divide. So 100 divided by 1.6093, and there you go, 94. Try that again. 100 divided by 1.6093. There we go. That sounds better. 62 miles per hour. And then now you know how to convert from metric to something else. So if you want to go from miles to kilometers, you just multiply it by 1.6. You now have kilometers per hour. If your car said kph and you want to find out what the miles per hour is, you divide by 1.6. It'll tell you what a good approximation of the speed is. That's it. Thank you.